On February 1st, 2026, Polk County Sheriff's deputies responded to a strip club trespass call in Iowa. A group of women sat in a parked car. What followed was a custody arrest, and the legal basis for it does not hold up.
Silver vehicle here.
That's the lights on?
Yeah, I got one vehicle, or I got one gal that was super aggressive.
Stay in your car, please. Which one?
Yeah.
Let's come over here and play.
Oh, plate. 146, copy plate. Lincoln Avenue. Which one?
Yes, every single female in that car needs to be criminally trespassed.
Okay.
They have assaulted one of our dancers today.
Which one? Hey, I need everybody's IDs.
Will you let me out the car?
No, stay in the car.
Okay.
Everybody give me your IDs.
You don't have to. We're black, but we're not like stupid black.
Give me your ID, you're going to jail.
That doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that.
Yeah, I'm investigating a fight and you're all being trespassed.
No, we weren't in a fight. We wasn't in a fight.
Right, it doesn't matter. You're
So you
being
didn't ask. Hold on. First of all, yes, you're not going about this rightly. So hold on. I don't give a fuck.
Hey.
You're not going about this in the proper manner.
Yeah, and so I just need your IDs. Okay.
Okay, so you can say, hey, ladies, can I get your IDs? I'm investigating. No, you did not. You said, give me your IDs. I'm investigating a fight. You try to make yourself sound like you're superior, and you're not.
Okay, give me your IDs, please.
No, it's not. It's not. Give me your IDs, please. You don't need our IDs because we're not
being
driving this vehicle.
trespassed.
No, you're not. No, we're not.
We weren't literally.
Okay, no. Stop talking. Stop talking. Stop talking. Stop talking. Stop talking. It's okay. I'm calling Sergeant Kalar because you're sitting here playing in my face.
Vehicle.
You don't. I don't have to sit in my vehicle. You didn't make me sit in my vehicle.
Okay, put your hands behind your back.
Before what?
Put your hands behind your back.
For what?
Put your hands behind your back.
What for what?
Huh?
What am I
Because
being?
you're not following my orders.
For not following your orders?
Yeah.
She's not doing.
I'm being arrested for not following orders?
She's not doing anything.
Oh my God, y'all are going to jail. That's crazy. Not following orders is a jail.
I told you, give me your ID. You're going
No, that's not. I'm.
ID on her. I had her keys.
I have my ID. No, they're going to jail. No, that's fine.
I got her. Please stay over there. Thank you.
I'm not going to jail for
146,
not
one in
following
custody.
orders. No.
Good,
that's
happy
not-
birthday.
That's not the problem. They're going. That's the problem. That's the problem. I know the judge.
Do you want to take a PBT at all?
No, it's not the issue.
What's your name? What's your name?
Not going to jail for not following orders is crazy.
No, I said give me your ID. You're being
It's not a
trespassed. Huh?
It's not being. It's not. A
Give me your name. You're getting charged with interference.
It's not being. It's not interference.
Okay, you just got charged with interference too.
And she literally.
Hey, did anybody grab your name yet?
Somebody that looks like a man.
Okay.
Someone that looks like a man. Was pushing us out.
Here, hop in your car.
Is pushing us out, and I said, "You're a man."
Turn it on if you want the heat. We just rolled on the windows. Do you have your ID on you, ma'am?
No, I don't have mine on me.
Yeah, okay. I'm gonna need to grab your name, please. Your first name, please. A-L-O-K.
Like, are you joking?
This locked, so can you just like leave it open?
Sure. All of them are getting trespassed. For sure.
Wait, that's not fair. It doesn't even matter. Oh, look, we don't even come here. This is so stupid. This isn't. Oh, look, who cares? Who cares?
There's a
I don't want to come back here. This is
bouncer somewhere that's saying that got assaulted.
Go back to your place.
Yeah.
So outside of that, what the f is she gonna do about Yuri?
So what happened tonight?
It literally, when I say that security guard in there started shoving me in my back, and I'm the main one telling my friend, she was not being aggressive. She literally is just like frustrated because she's like, it's my birthday and I just got here 10 minutes ago and I don't even know the girl you guys are talking about. Because I guess the girl is a stripper who dealt with my sister's ex-boyfriend, whatever, and as soon as she saw my sister, she said, I don't feel comfortable with all of those people who just came in being here.
So was anybody in a fight? Were you guys fighting with each other?
No.
Okay, were you guys fighting with the bouncer or anything?
No, the bouncer started shoving me in my back, and when I say you can ask anybody in here, I was the one saying like, let's just go, it's whatever, like we're not getting our money back. Because the owner was like saying, I'll give you $100, get the out of here with your ghetto ass. And I was like, dog, like I genuinely wanted my money back, but at this point, there's no point to try to get it back anymore. Okay. So then I was like, we might as well.
So you already paid admission to go in. Did you make it all the way inside?
Yes. And then we were in there for maybe 10 minutes, and then they walked up to a security, and I'm like, I don't even know who you're talking about. Because I didn't even hardly see the dancers. I was talking half the time.
Okay.
And it was like, then they walk up to us and say, we're all not welcome here because of a dancer. And then we get walked up to the front, so we're like, can we at least get our money back because we just got here? And then the owner comes up saying, pretty much saying, oh, I'll give you $100, get the out of my face. And then like, obviously was being sarcastic, was not trying to give us a refund. So then I'm like, okay, let's just leave. And then the security guard, I guess they're like a they, them, I'm not sure.
Okay.
They literally started pushing me in my back. And then my sister's like, you're a man, like don't hit my sister, because I genuinely thought it was a man. And then they're like, I'm not a man, and then starts flipping out and like
us, and then now they're saying that we were assaulting them. That's crazy. A man was pushing us, and I said I will call
I
the
don't
police.
think it's a man. I don't know what.
It's a boy. That's literally was born a boy, and they're calling herself a girl. You're not a girl. You're a man. And that was pushing me.
It was shoving me.
And now it's becoming an issue. That's crazy.
Oh my god.
Like this is too much.
All right. And somebody got your name as well, ma'am. Somebody got your name. Okay.
Yeah, they already got my name.
All right. Thank you. You guys just hang out for me, okay? Huh?
Can you let me know about her?
She's going to jail.
Are you serious?
What is it for?
I don't know why she wouldn't listen to me. I told her what I was doing. I said I'm investigating a fight, and you guys are being trespassed.
I think she was trying to explain it, but the main one who was getting yelled at was her, and it's her birthday.
Okay.
I think she
I'm sorry it's her birthday.
There was a bouncer that got assaulted?
The manager. She got hit in the ear with a shoe, and then another bouncer with a shoe inside. Give me a second. Yeah.
Who's assaulted?
Me and my fiance. So she got hit square in the face with one of the slippers. She's coming up.
Okay.
So she got hit in the face with one of them as she was trying to walk away, and then I got nailed in the ear with the other one that she put.
Okay. Where did they hit you at?
Just right here.
Right here?
You feel a little bit of red on your nose.
Yeah.
So what they hit you with?
I think the slippers are still in the lobby.
Okay.
Are they?
She threw her shoe at me is what she
She
did.
threw her shoe and hit you in the face?
Yeah.
You want charges?
Nah. Really.
What is the victim now?
Yeah, they just threw her shoe.
So we just wanted them to get out of
Just
here?
trespass them.
Yeah.
I was gonna say make it easier on both of us.
Yeah.
So the victim of this whole assault thing doesn't want anything done.
Yeah, this one. Trespass.
Just want everybody trespass. So if you got somebody in custody, it's going to be because they did something stupid to you. Okay, perfect.
She didn't
Anybody
want
else?
to identify herself. I told her, give me your ID, identify yourself, you're going to jail. She got out of the car and...
She drunk too?
Yes.
All right, offer the PBT. She
Yeah,
says
she
fuck
declined.
you. Sweet. Everybody else is due trespassing. You need anything else
No, we should...
from anybody else on scene?
No.
We'll stand by because it's starting to get a little rowdy in there. Yep.
All right.
It's too cold to be fighting outside, man.
I didn't realize like there's all chicks in there.
Yeah, that's usually the only people that come here. Like you guys said, it probably doesn't matter, but you guys are trespassed from here, okay?
Okay, that's
Just
okay.
don't come back.
We don't even come
That's
here.
fine.
This is my first time I've been here in literally like 4 years. But
Okay.
I just don't want. It's my friend's birthday. She's a single mom.
Like-
I know that it doesn't really matter that much to y'all, but she's literally a single mom.
Okay.
So it's
She,
a lot.
who's watching her right now?
He's at my.
He's
with
at
my
his.
parents.
Yeah.
Okay. Is he spending the night there, I'm
Yeah,
guessing?
Yeah,
All of our kids
but
are
it's like
spending
we
the
all
night.
have
We
church in
just-
the morning, and we go back to our regular program like tomorrow.
Like
All right.
I don't
He
know.
has-
Well, she's
Therapy
getting
and
charged with 2
everything.
simple misdemeanors so she can bond out. She's getting charged with public
what?
intox
What did she
and
do?
public intox and interference.
But why? She was in the car.
No, she exited the vehicle to get up into my face. When I asked her, I said, give me your ID, you're going to jail. multiple times.
You can't for this once. I understand.
Listen, we have these problems every weekend, okay?
I know, but
and
she
so
does not. Like,
this
when I
is
say
what
she
happens
doesn't
when
do
nobody
better,
listens.
This
Okay,
isn't her
guys,
as a
I'm not gonna argue with you. It's fine. Okay, that's what's gonna happen. Okay, I will let her know. You guys can bond her out in a few hours if you want to. All right? You guys are trespassed. Please don't come back. All right, man. What's your first name, please? Spell that for me.
Montejj.
Montej. I'm sorry.
You're gonna send me to jail on my birthday.
I don't care that it's your birthday. I'm sorry.
I know you don't care. It's
Your
my
first
birthday.
name is Montejgha.
No, it's Montejha.
J-H-A.
I have border warrants in Lynn County and Powersheet County.
Okay. And what is your birth date? Okay. All right. You need anything else?
Were they fighting out here when you got here?
They said no. They said they walked in, they paid, and apparently a bouncer knew them or something and said, no, that's not happening. Get out of here.
All right.
And
her phone with her so she hasn't.
sure, of course. Thank you.
Good night.
All right. Stay in the car for me.
Yep.
Take a deep breath and blow as hard as you can into here, okay? You're breathing in. I need you to blow out.
I know, but you gotta breathe in before you breathe out.
Yes,
right?
please.
Thank you.
Hang on. Okay, deep breath in right now.
Mm-hmm.
Blow all the way out. All right, at .179. Go and hop on out. Go ahead and walk to these guys for me.
The deputy walked up and demanded identification from everyone in the vehicle. No one was driving. No crime had occurred in his presence. Iowa does not have a stop and identify statute that covers this situation. Under Iowa Code Section 805.1, the duty to identify yourself arises only upon lawful arrest. Demanding identification before arrest, backed by a jail threat, is legally backwards. The Fourth Amendment question is whether this was a consensual encounter or a detention. Florida versus Bostick, 501, United States, 429, gives us the test: would a reasonable person feel free to leave? When an officer tells you to give him your identification or go to jail, the answer is no. That is a seizure. And a seizure requires reasonable, articulable suspicion of criminal activity. Terry versus Ohio, 392 United States 1, demands specific, articulable facts. Being a passenger in a car that a manager complained about does not meet that standard. Not close. One of the women challenged the deputy's approach, and she was right on the law. City of Houston versus Hill, 482 United States, 451. Settled this in 1987. Verbal criticism of police conduct is constitutionally protected speech. She stepped out of the vehicle after being told she was going to jail. He handcuffed her. His stated reason on camera: she was not following his orders. Iowa Code Section 719.1 defines interference with official acts as obstructing a peace officer in the performance of a lawful duty. Lawful is the operative word, and that word carries the entire legal weight of this charge. If the underlying command lacked legal authority, resistance to that command is not a crime. Courts are consistent on this. The defense motion to dismiss the interference charge has real legal legs. The public intoxication charge is cleaner on the facts, murkier on the elements. Her breath test came back at .179, more than twice Iowa's legal limit. Intoxication is not in dispute. The dispute is location. Iowa Code Section 123.46 requires intoxication in a public place. She was in a parked private vehicle on a private business lot. Whether that qualifies as a public place under the statute is not settled. During booking, the subject disclosed warrants in Lynn and Poweshiek counties. Utah versus Strieff allows those warrants to attenuate the taint of an unlawful stop, but only for evidence purposes. The warrant does not cure the arrest. Gratis. The deputy receives a C+. Force was proportionate, no excessive contact. Clean breath test procedure. Proper documentation. Under Graham versus Connor, 490 United States, 386. That part checks out. What fails is the legal reasoning. Threatening arrest for refusing to hand over identification when no authority to demand it existed is a civil rights exposure under Title 42 United States Code Section 1983. Clearly established law matters here. The subject, Monteja, receives a B. She identified the constitutional issue in real time and said so calmly. Her only mistake was stepping out of the car that handed the deputy a factual hook for the interference charge. The Polk County Sheriff's Department receives a B-. Timely response. Controlled force. But a deputy stating on camera that jail follows from not obeying his orders when those orders lacked legal authority is a training failure the department owns. The lesson, a trespass assist, does not authorize demanding identification from everyone present. That duty attaches to a lawful arrest, not to a threat. Assert your rights calmly. Do not physically resist. And let the footage do the work. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to cover in the comments. Thank you for watching and check out Street Bodycam, our second channel, for more police interaction and courtroom content.